A kid of mass m stands at edge of the platform of radius r, which can be freely rotated about its axis. The moment of inertia of the platform is I. The system is at rest when a friend throws a ball of mass m and kid catches it. If the velocity of the ball is v horizontally along the tangent to the edge of the platform when it was caught by the kids. Find the angular speed of the platform after the event. Suppose the platform with the kid in the previous problem is rotating in anti-clockwise direction at an angular speed omega. The kid starts walking along the rim with a speed v relative to the platform, also in anti-clockwise direction. Find new angular speed of the platform. Platform इसका ये एक्सिस इसके सेंटर से जाता है एंड परपेंडिकुलर टू दिस प्लेटफॉर्म, ये रोटेट करता है इन एंटी क्लॉकवाइज डायरेक्शन। इस डायरेक्शन में रोटेट कर रहा है ओमेगा स्पीड से, ओमेगा एंगुलर स्पीड। मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया ऑफ द सिस्टम, यहाँ पर एक किड है ऑफ मास m। इनिशियली किड इज इन एट रेस्ट, तो इस कंडीशन में मोमेंट ऑफ इनर्शिया ऑफ सिस्टम kid plus platform I plus mr square। तो इनिशियल एंगुलर मोमेंटम is equal to L dot I plus mr square into omega। अब kid starts moving with a speed v, with respect to platform। Velocity, linear velocity of kid with respect to platform is v। Angular velocity of kid with respect to platform, that is v by r in anti-clockwise direction. Suppose final angular speed of platform with respect to earth is omega 1. Angular velocity of kid with respect to ground or earth will be equal to, this is also in an anti-clockwise direction, v by r plus omega 1 in anti-clockwise direction. Final angular momentum of the system for platform उसका moment of inertia I into speed, angular speed, plus moment of inertia of this man का होगा moment of inertia mr square is v by r plus omega 1. This is final LF. I omega 1 plus mvr plus mr square omega 1 or mvr plus I plus mr square omega 1. No torque is applied, hence initial momentum will be final momentum. Angular momentum I plus initial है I plus mr square जो L dot है into omega will be equal to mvr plus I mr plus mr square omega 1 or I plus mr square omega 1 will be equal to I plus mr square omega minus mvr. Omega 1 is I plus mr square omega minus mvr by I plus mr square or omega minus mvr by I plus mr square. Final angular स्पीड होगी ओमेगा माइनस mvr अपॉन I प्लस mr स्क्वायर.